Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for HIMS and HERS stock. Guys, currently you can see that we are looking for the market to go higher in HIMS, and currently that's still the case. I'm going to give y'all like maybe two things that I've noticed on the chart since we did this price prediction in HIMS, that this stock is still bullish. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. All right, so now the reason why we're not changing this prediction in HIMS is because we've seen strength or buyers stepping in the market. Okay, so after we did this price prediction, which was on like the 18th of September, we created this sell pocket right here, right? And immediately the market traded above the sell pocket for maybe a day or two, and then the market reacted and went down, right? However, we can move that sell pocket and bring it up here now, because the buyers were able to bring price to like $60.55. So we'll do that first. Okay, now even though we moved the sell pocket higher in HIMS, I'm still looking for the price to go up, and here's the reason why. A couple of reasons, maybe three. The first one is we still got the buy signal being triggered on our chart. That's simple, right? The market is telling us what the overall sentiment of the market is right now. So that's one. Two is the failed attempt of sellers to lower the price following October the 3rd. Okay, look at how wide that price bar is in HIMS on October the 3rd, and look where the price closed. So overwhelmingly, a lot of the transactions were in favor of sellers. They were able to successfully close price at the very bottom of the bar. When you see that, the next day or the next creation of the price bar, you're supposed to see another formation of price continue to go down. You didn't get that. Price in HIMS went up the next day instead. If that doesn't tell you that somebody is really in the market buying this stock, I don't know what does. And then you have another confirmation the next day price is still going up. So this area right here is where buyers are. So we need to create that. Okay, so right here is buyers. They always give us this information, and it's free. It's not complicated. You don't have to pay an enormous amount of money to figure out where is the money. We're getting people's bias as to what they think a stock is worth. And somebody was thinking that the stock is worth at least $52.50 to like $50.50, because if they wasn't, they wouldn't have came and supported the price there, but they did. So that's the reason why we don't need to change this price prediction in HIMS. Real quick, let's look at this on the 2. You can see right here on the 2 we have 19 hours and 56 minutes currently. That still looks pretty bullish, especially following this precursor strength bar right there. Here is HIMS on the 3. Just like I told you on the daily time frame, buyers stepped in because price is all the way up there at the high of the bar, following a price bar to where price should have gone down, but it didn't. Look at this on the 4. You can see that the market is definitely finding buyers here. Kind of resembles what happened on this 4-day price bar. It might look this way in the next 19 hours and 55 minutes. These two bars, this one and this one, resembles what it looks like when buyers are entering and they are controlling the price, because they are the ones who lifted the price from the bottom of the bar and ran it all the way up to the very top. That wouldn't happen if people aren't buying. Okay, so these two bars resembles that. Now here it is on the 5. Okay, nothing too much to talk about here on the 5 and the weekly chart. Now in the next 2 days and 20 hours, this will be a longer term bullish play if we see this weekly price bar currently run all the way back up to the high of the prior week. If that happens and the market closes up there, then yeah, look for the market to probably come all the way up here to our ultimate TP price. So yeah, we got 2 days and 20 hours to look at that, but that is what that is looking like. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Those are the only things I wanted to reflect and show you all from the chart's perspective as to why we suspect that this stock is still aiming for higher prices. We move the sell pocket here. So yeah, there's still potential. There's always a risk, but that will be the reason why price in HIMS won't go higher, is because of these sellers in this pocket. If they eliminate the sellers in that pocket, I'm talking about the buyers, then yeah, definitely we should be able to see the market run up to this next sell pocket. All right, so that is it. All we have to do now is sit and wait and let the price come to us. That's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.